On this video, we're going to add students, add some categories, hopefully. And before I start that, I want to practice moving around a little bit. Control panel, if you click that, it takes you here. And on this screen, you can click New Post, and there you can add a new post. So that's another way to get there. You can also review your posts, and we should have two. You can edit here, quick edit. You can figure out what the difference is there. Put it in the trash, view it, unapprove or approve. You can look at your comments. We should have just one, which was the sample comment. You can unapprove or approve here. Reply. Users, which is what we want. There's also another way to get there. You can click on your name up here from my account, and under add new user, you could do that, which is where we're going. Okay, so I'm going to click back on user, and it says all users, your profile, add new user. Same thing. So we're going to add student 1, and the password, I'm going to say password 1 for now. You can do however you want. The role is going to be student, add new user. And you can only add up to 50 total accounts unless you upgrade to I think it's like $5 a month or something like that to upgrade and add more. So you can figure out how you want to do that. If you want to add more than like 5 or 6, where you don't want to type in all those passwords, you want to use the bulk create user tab. And without instruction, this can be a little difficult. So what I've figured out, that if you go to Excel, so open up an Excel document, and in the first column, type the student's username, and in the second column, type the password that you want them to have. And then this is the part you have to get right. So we're going to save it. I'm going to save it to my computer, my documents. Okay. When you get here, this is the tricky part. You need to save it as CSV, comma, delimited. Okay. And we're going to name it users, because I already have a Kidblog users on mine, so I'm just gonna name it users. You can name it Kidblog users if you like. And then from there, I'm gonna hit save. Yes. Okay, now we're gonna choose that file, users, and then process. New user added, new user added, new user added. So they're all added, and they all have the password that you gave them. All users, it should display all the users we have. So that's great. Now let's add another user, a moderator. So my moderator, who do I want to help me? Okay, we're going to work together. And she selects her password. And we change it to moderator. And then you just add new user. And that is a part of your 50. So when you go to all users, you will see her there. And that's pretty much it. She can click on her name, change her password, put in her email address, put in her picture, and all that that good stuff. Change the way she views for, you know, whatever she's gonna do. And that's it. Let's talk about categories. There's more than one way to get to categories, but I'm gonna go back to the blog, and down here when it says no categories, manage categories, I'm gonna click that, and it says add new category. So I'm gonna put tutorial videos. That's supposed to be a parentheses. Okay, and add new category. Okay, I'm going to add homework category. I'm going to add, I was going to do announcements. Let's do classwork. And then you can do announcements or letters, parent announcement, student announcement. Okay, and that's that. So now when we go back to our blog, I want to show you, let's go back to my first post and let's edit that, okay? Edit this post. You can now select a category for that post. So this is more of, it's a tutorial video and it's homework. So I'm going to click both of those. And that way when you have your post up and if you need to go in and search for a certain post versus looking through all of them, you can just set your search to look for tutorials or homeworks or parent announcements, student announcements. So, and then I update it. And if I want to view it, I can. The categories are here, okay? They pop up here. So that's pretty much it. If you want to upgrade, it's orange waiting for you to press. And my classes, if you want to look at that, will list all of your classes. And if you come down, it either takes you to the dashboard or to the site. This here is the site. Remember, the dashboard is where we did all the users and all that good stuff. There was one other thing I wanted to show you. It just came to me. How to create a new class. So create new class there. And remember, whatever you choose is going to be the end of the URL. So we already have a Pierce Math 4, so I have a 5th period. And there you go. That class is created. And when you go to My Classes right here, it will show you the classes that you have. Now remember, this one was named Algebra 1, although this was Pierce Math 4. I can still name this one Algebra 1, but it'll just be Pierce Math 5. So I can put another picture so that I know it's a different class. I can put a picture of my class there. And I'd like to end this video with showing you a full-blown Kidblog, showing you my Kidblog and what I've done with it. It's not perfect. It's, you know, changing every day, adding new things, taking away, learning from it. And if you notice, this is all I'm going to type in to get there. I didn't have to type in the email, just my URL. Here's the picture. I've had 14,000 views so far. I started in February. These are the different things I've done at the end of the year. I posted videos for those that didn't pass the STAR test to practice with over the summer, just in case they couldn't make it to the summer sessions. Let's see what else we have. End of the year videos where you took pictures. This took 20 minutes. Posted the video. They're talking, telling about the year from each class. And if you ever get a chance to just listen or watch my 6th period, that was just an amazing